Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Genmoji on iOS 18. In this video, I will show you two methods. The first method is to make a custom emoji without using Genmoji itself, and the second method is to use the Apple AI Genmoji. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you have the latest update of your iOS. Make sure it is iOS 18 or 18.1 or even newer. So first you will have to open the settings. Then once you open the settings, you should now go to General. And after that, go to Software Update. Then make sure that you have the iOS 18, 18.1 or even any newer update. So basically, you will have to update your iOS. And after that, if you want to make emojis like these ones right here, you should now open the settings again. Then go to General. Then once you go to General, you'll have to scroll down till you find this option right here, Keyboard. Tap on it. Then you should scroll down till you find here this option, Emoji Stickers. Just enable it on. And now you can go to Google and search for iOS 18 emojis, for example. Pick any emoji that you want and download it into your phone. And after that, you'll have to open the gallery like this one right here. Then you will have to hold on the picture itself. Just hold on it. Then it will show you here this option. It will crop the image. Then it will show you here this option above. You will have to click on this arrow, then click on add sticker. Now when you go and open any text like so, you can simply use it as a sticker when you just send it alone, or you can use it as an emoji when you try to type some text beside it. Now let me show you how to use Genmoji. You will have to open a text like so, then click on the emoji button on the bottom left corner right here. And now once you click on the emoji button, it will show you all the emojis that you have right here. And here, as you can see, you have this small button, this emoji plus sign. Just tap on it, then it will open the Genmoji like so. And now what you should do is to describe a Genmoji. Let's say that I'm gonna type dog singing, for example. It will take a couple of seconds, then it will show you multiple options. You can scroll between them, and here, as you can see, you have the add button on the top right corner. Just click on it, and here it will be added to your text or your emojis. So here you have it in the text box, and here you have it in the emojis section right here. Now you can send it as a sticker if you send it alone, and you can also send it as an emoji if you want to do so. You can type a text beside it and send it to anyone that you want in any chat. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.